Book summary. The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy is a compelling book that emphasizes the transformative impact of small, consistent actions on achieving significant success and personal growth. Through the concept of the compound effect, Hardy reveals how even minor daily choices, when compounded over time, can lead to extraordinary results in various aspects of life. The power of consistency. Darren Hardy introduces the principle of the compound effect as the process of reaping big rewards from small, consistent actions. He highlights the compounding nature of habits, both positive and negative, and how they ultimately shape an individual's outcomes. Habits and choices. The book emphasizes that success is not determined by monumental changes, but by the daily choices and habits we engage in. Hardy explains that making consistent positive choices, even in seemingly insignificant areas of life, can lead to long-term success and growth. Influence of environment. Hardy emphasizes the influence of environment on behavior and choices. He suggests that surrounding oneself with positive, supportive individuals and creating an environment that aligns with one's goals is crucial for achieving success. Setting clear goals. Setting clear and specific goals is crucial for harnessing the power of the compound effect. Hardy introduces the concept of big, hairy, audacious goals, BHAGs, and provides a step-by-step process for breaking down these ambitious goals into manageable steps. Overcoming challenges and adversity. The book acknowledges that challenges and setbacks are inevitable on the journey to success. Hardy offers insights on how to navigate these obstacles while maintaining a positive attitude, resilience, and determination. Mindset shifts. Darren Hardy emphasizes that success requires a shift in mindset. He encourages readers to take responsibility for their choices, adopt a growth-oriented mindset, and become proactive in their pursuit of success. Practical strategies. Throughout the book, Hardy provides practical strategies for implementing the compound effect in daily life. These strategies include tracking progress, focusing on high-leverage activities, and making incremental improvements. Real-life examples. Hardy illustrates his principles with real-life examples of individuals who have achieved significant success through the compound effect. These stories showcase how consistent actions, even in the face of challenges, can lead to remarkable transformations. Personal responsibility. The book emphasizes personal responsibility and accountability for one's choices and actions. Hardy encourages readers to take ownership of their lives and recognize that every choice, no matter how small, contributes to their overall outcomes. In conclusion, The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy offers a profound understanding of how small, consistent actions can lead to substantial success and personal growth. Through practical insights, real-life examples, and actionable strategies, Hardy guides readers on a journey toward harnessing the power of the compound effect to transform their lives in meaningful ways.